When Kim Taehyung stepped onto the red carpet, it was as if the world stopped for a moment. Not only was he an idol, but this time, Taehyung managed to transform a moment already filled with glitz and glamour into an unforgettable performance. His captivating confidence, extraordinary looks, and the charismatic aura were the center of attention throughout the night. No one could have predicted that Taehyung would take the red carpet to a new level. With every step, he delivered more than just a fashion statement. He transformed the red carpet into a royal runway. From his elegant attire to his enigmatic facial expressions, all elements combined to create a stunning appearance, as if he had just stepped out of a fantasy world. All eyes were on him, from the celebrities to the fans in attendance. With all his charm, he managed to unite everyone in unspoken admiration. Every movement, every single thing, seemed to tell a story bigger than what met the eye. It wasn't just a mere appearance, but a statement about who he was, a king who ruled the world stage. From his captivating looks to his unwavering humility, Taehyung proves he's more than just a pop star. He's a symbol of change, innovation, and the unexpected surprises. As usual, Kim Taehyung wowed everyone, but this time, he did it in a way that will never be forgotten. As a global star, Kim Taehyung is known not only for his captivating voice and the stage presence, but that night, he showed another side of himself, a trendsetter capable of redefining the standards of elegance and style in the entertainment world. It's no more wonder photographers and the media couldn't stop capturing every moment. Every time the cameras landed on him, it was as if the world stopped. Everyone wanted to get a closer look, to witness an idol who was not only popular, but also extraordinary in a deeply personal way. Taehyung's performance wasn't just about the clothes or accessories he wore, but also about how he carried himself with such confidence and the naturalness. The first impression he gave of was a mysterious yet captivating aura, a perfect blend of sophistication and the sincerity that left anyone enchanted. He was like a prince from a fairy tale who suddenly appeared in the real world, giving the impression that everything that seemed impossible could become real. From the fans' perspective, this performance was more than just a fashion statement. It was a celebration of his evolution as an artist. Taehyung not only brought a legacy of K-pop culture to the international stage, but also set a clear example of how a public figure can lead and inspire through the courage to be themselves without compromise. He successfully combined personal strength and the visual beauty in a way rarely seen. It wasn't just fans who were amazed. Numerous celebrities and the influencers in attendance that night couldn't contain their admiration. Men immediately expressed their admiration on social media, noting how Taehyung. Yet, behind all the spotlight, Taehyung remains remarkably humble. He reminds the world that despite being recognized as an international icon, he remains the same as ever, a young man constantly growing, learning, and striving to become the best version of himself without showing any arrogance. He proves that success comes from hard work and the persistent sincerity. That night, as he took his final steps down the red carpet that had become a runway, there was no more doubt. Kim Taehyung was more than just a pop idol. He was a global phenomenon ready to conquer the world with his undeniable charm. Everyone who witnessed that moment knew they had just become part of an unforgettable piece of history. That moment wasn't just about style, but also about how Taehyung changed our perception of beauty and the success. In a fast-paced, image-obsessed world, Taehyung emerged as a figure who affirmed that being yourself is the most powerful thing a person can have. He captured attention not only with his charm, but also with a strength of character that was evident in every movement and the expression. Fans, who already knew Taehyung as a curious and the eccentric figure, felt proud and connected to him that night. They knew this wasn't just another performance. Taehyung, with all his uniqueness, had transformed the red carpet into more than just a glamorous event. He made it a statement about daring to be different, to be authentic and unbound by the expectations of the outside world. The spotlight emanating from the professional cameras only accentuated his already present charm. Taehyung knows how to play to that aura who doesn't just pose for the camera, but rather speaks directly to the world. conveying the message that there are no more limits to what can be achieved if we dare to pursue our dreams wholeheartedly. As he strode through the crowd, men whispered about his unforgettable look, how he blended modern concepts with classic nuances in every detail of his outfit, with suits that accentuated his slender figure, minimalist yet elegant accessories, and the simple yet captivating makeup. Taehyung proved that true beauty doesn't have to be overdone. He chose to show his inner beauty, and that's what made him so impressive. But what was most impressive was how he managed to remain down to earth, despite being surrounded by all the luxury. Amidst the attention pouring in from all corners of the globe, Taehyung still showed his humanity. He waved with a friendly smile to fans outside the barricade, greeting them with laughing gazes. In every interaction, he conveyed the sense that he never forgot who brought him to where he is today. His loyal fans. Moments after the show, a brief backstage interview revealed a deeper side of Taehyung. He spoke about the importance of living life with gratitude and the continually striving to give your best, even as the world continues to change. For him, every step is an opportunity to learn and to grow. And that night was an example. The night ended, but Taehyung's impression remained etched in the memories of men. He not only transformed the red carpet into a stage full of surprises, but also demonstrated that a true artist isn't just defined by the size of the stage they grace, but by the impact they have on the world. Kim Taehyung, once again, proved that he's more than just a star. He's an icon who will be remembered forever. As time went on, Taehyung's story increasingly made history in the global entertainment world. His performance that night not only influenced fans but also inspired countless people from all over the world, from designers to influencers. Everyone began discussing how Taehyung was not just a fashion icon, but also a symbol of the courage to stand up from the crowd. Men began to realize that with every step he took, Taehyung wasn't just setting trends but also sending a powerful message about the importance of being yourself, fearlessly pursuing happiness and the success in unique ways. He showed the world that you don't need to follow established patterns to reach the top. In his own unique way, Taehyung imbued each look with deeper meaning, not just the fashion statement, but an expression of who he truly is. In fact, several major social media platforms began analyzing Taehyung's influence on pop culture, fans, and the fashion. Experts from around the world were amazed by how Taehyung was able to blend entertainment with captivating visual art. His stylish style, combined with his calm and confident demeanor, makes him not only an idol but also a role model respected by men. Despite the constant spotlight, Taehyung maintains an extraordinary humility. Whenever he meets fans or fellow artists, he always displays a warm and humble demeanor, making the moment more than just a social interaction. As if he never tires of sharing positive energy with those around him, Taehyung always reminds us that life's journey is more about inner growth and the growing as a better person. This performance also further solidifies his position in the global music industry. Taehyung is known not only for his extraordinary vocal talent, but also for his inspiring lifestyle. Men have begun to call him a true artist for his ability to convey a message through music, fashion, and an admirable attitude. He exemplifies how an artist can elegantly balance popularity and the personal integrity. That night, the red carpet not only witnessed Taehyung's journey, but also symbolized everything he has achieved and fought for. From a young man with big dreams to an international star inspiring the world, Taehyung has proven that nothing is impossible if we dare to be ourselves. The red carpet is no more longer just about glamour and the luxury, but about the courage to step out with confidence and to give our best. In the end, Taehyung left the red carpet with a meaningful smile, as if he was signaling that this was only the beginning. The world had witnessed his ability to change. And as we all know, Taehyung is never satisfied with just one achievement. The night's red carpet performance was just one small example of his limitless potential. After the night, the world couldn't stop talking about Taehyung. But more than that, he changed the way we view stars and the artists. He emerged not just as a celebrity, but as a larger, deeper phenomena. True artists capable of tapping into the essence of life and transforming it into works that everyone can enjoy. Not only were his fans amazed, but fellow artists, musicians, and designers also admired his way of blending art, fashion, and music into a harmonious whole. Men began to see Taehyung as an icon of innovation who not only adapts to changing times but creates waves of change himself. He doesn't just follow trends, he's a trendsetter. And with every appearance, he manages to bring something new to the table, a concept that blends tradition and modernity in a way that is both elegant and meaningful.